Hey, do you ever wonder what it's like to be a bird?
We are birds, silly.
I know. But I want to know what it's like to be a real bird. One that can fly, one that can soar above the sky, and one that can touch the sun.
Be careful of what you wish for. Say, I knew a bird that could fly once.
Really?
Yeah, she was able to fly so high.
Whoa, how high?
She was able to fly above the stars. See Mr. Sun and Lady Moon take turns dancing across the sky as young clouds painted beautiful pictures.
Wow, that's amazing.
Indeed, amazing.
But where's that bird now?
Well, she grew tired.
Hey, do you think I could be that bird?
Of course,
Really?
yes.
Then, can you let me go? I can't fly if you don't.
Right. You can't.
Then, can you let me go now?